Hey guys, I'll be showing you some new fidgets that I got from my auntie and from my god sister. So that's her mom. They have a fidget shop, and I got some fidgets, and they also sell rings and headbands and stuff. But they might be out of stock for the fidget toys because people keep on buying them. Anyways, I'll be showing you some of the fidget toys that she gave us. Oh, finally, I've been hiding. So I got how many did I get? So I have. Oh wait, got this one. Okay, so they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fidget toys. So first, you already saw the popping. It's the mini pop tube, and it's green. And it's really good. I really like this one. I really like it. And it's so cute. So it's this short. It's this short. It's this short until when it's this. It's also long. All my real pop tubes are broken. All my big ones. But they can still make a mini pop tube. They're thicker. And they can't go all the way. But it's satisfying anyways. So yeah, so there's the mini pop tube. And then we also have fidget spinner dimple. This one is a fidget spinner like this. It has purple, blue, and green, and pink. And then you can spin it and then pop it. Here's the quiet side and loud side. It's so cute. This is not from her shop, by the way. She also has other fidget spinner ones. There's other fidget spinner ones and at her shop, but this one's actually from a store, that we wanted her to buy this for us. And I have 3 of them. I have three of them now. I have 3 fidget spinner dimples. So here's the first one. And then here's the second one. This one doesn't spin long. It does. Okay, I stopped that. Anyways, yeah. That's a 3, and this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this one has 4. This one I got off Shein. I'm getting more fidgets off Shein, so I might give you a little thing. So yeah, they're all so cool, pretty cool. So that's all of my. I only got this one off new one, so yeah. I didn't get them today. I got them I don't know, a month ago. Anyways, I have this snapper. This is purple. There's also a black one, but I didn't get it. I wanted a black one, but I think it would just be a little harder, but. Yeah. So my first ever snapper was this one. Oh. This one is the real one. But also off-brand ones, like these ones. This is my second one. And this is my third. So, yeah, hopefully you like that. And then we have a mini poppet that has 2 loud sides. Oops. I think that has two sides. Yeah, and it's like ocean colors. So, yeah, it's like ocean colors. So yeah. I have too many puppets. Yes, 2. I have 13 of them. I have 13 puppets in all. So, let's just move, you guys. Anyways, lastly, we have this dimple digit. So, she sells dimple digits, but it's all sold out. Hopefully you bought it, so you have this. They're both so textured. So this one has like English numbers and like stuff like that. And it's like textured, like the numbers are textured. And then there's also the words of them. And then here's this other side that has circles, which you have to count them to know what number is it, because there are different languages on there. But they don't have my language, because sometimes my language has some English in it, so it like spells the same word as English. So yeah, I really like this. So I have simple dimples, triple simple dimples, a dimple, Among Us dimple, and the dimple digits. And I think, and the fidget spinner dimples. Here's a triple dimple looking like. Anyways, they're different colors. And yeah, so yeah, maybe next video I'll be showing you all my stress balls. So stay tuned for that. So yeah, bye guys. That's all of the new fidgets that I got. Or not really new because I got them a month ago. But yeah, bye.